Kim Denny with Inspired Designs, and I'm here to give you some basic tips on completing your Steelers plaque. So, when you received it, I've outlined the three shapes here in the middle, and you'll notice that they will overlap a little bit in the center and on each point here, and you'll also have some overlapping with the circle. So, let me show you how to get started. You could start on any of these three colors that you would like. And please note that you can also order any of these projects completed. So if you have a friend that sees this, but they don't want to do the actual stringing, they can always order it from me and I will string it. Or if you need to send one as a gift and you just don't have time to string it, just get in touch with me and I'll take care of it for you. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're just going to follow the outline that I have already done to give yourself the outline of the shape. And I do this on each layer as we're working because it'll create a nice bit of thickness around the outer edge. So when your eye sees the project from the side, it has a little bit of a thick wall, so it looks more completed and kind of finished. Then what you're going to do is just pretend like you're scribbling inside the lines, and you're just going to go from any nail to any nail inside that shape. Now on this, you do want to be aware not to go, say, from here to here, because you don't want to be on the outside of the shape, so you want to stay inside the shape. Once you've completed a layer, meaning you've hit each nail about one time, you're going to go ahead and just gently press down that string so it moves it down a bit and gives you some more room to work. And then you're going to complete that process. So you'll do the outline again, then random, 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 outline again, random, random, random. Most people will do about 3 or 4 layers of that. You can make it as sparse or as dense as you would like. There is no right or wrong way to do this. It's whatever looks good to your eye. So let's pretend that this section is as full as we would want it to be. Then we're going to do what I call a finishing border. And for the finishing border, it just gives you a nice finished edge. You're going to loop around 2 nails 2 times, and then circle around the next 2 nails 2 times, and continue your way around. So you can think of it as though you're circling around A and B, then B and C and D, and continue your way all the way around the shape. Once you get to the end, you're going to cut a nice long tail to tie your knot. You can, if you end up back here at the top where your previous long tail is, you can tie those 2 strings together, or you can just tie it onto whatever nail you end up on. I always suggest leaving these long tails because they're much easier to tie than a little short piece. It'll be a little bit less frustrating for you. At the end of your project, you'll put a little drop of glue, if you'd like, on the knots where those tails are, and then once that's dry, just trim it as close as you can, and then they'll be gone, so you don't have to worry about those. Once you finish the yellow or whatever color you start with, finish the other 2 diamonds, and once those are done, you'll take your silver string and finish the circles. So you'll just tie on, you'll go around the outside of the circle, and then fill in all this space, and then repeat and just keep doing it so you have that random fill around the outside as well. When you're working with the silver string, it might get a little twisty just because it has that metallic tinsel in it. And just know that it's not you doing anything wrong, it's just that the metallic strings do get a little twisty, so just keep pulling them taut as you're doing the stringing from nail to nail, and it will work out just fine for you. I hope you enjoy your project. You do have a card on the back that has my business name, which is Inspired. The easiest way to get a hold of me is through a Facebook message on my Inspired page. I would also love to see your finished project if you'd like to share it on there. And you can also find more projects on the Inspired Facebook page or on my Inspired Etsy page. Thanks so much. I hope you have a lot of fun. Bye-bye.